All right. Hi, today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put a foot on a plate or a bowl that's relatively thin. So if we take a look at this, I didn't leave a lot of room on the bottom to really trim it and give it that nice foot. So what I'm going to do is add a foot to it a little bit later. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this on the wheel, and we're going to go ahead and just kind of get this centered up. And I just let my thumb hit as this moves. And then I just slightly move it forward, okay, and we're pretty much getting close. And we just kind of go like that. It should be pretty centered now. Yeah. Give that a little bit. Okay, that's good. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and just quickly put our coils down. This is really a great technique, again, if you've didn't leave a lot of space on the bottom of your bowl or plate or almost any one of your forms. All right, give me 1 second. Let me just grab something. All right. Okay. All right, forgot the trimming tools. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and trim away this outside. All right, and if I've done a good job of the clay being leather hard, I'm going to get these beautiful little ribbons like you're seeing right now. All right. I'm just going to take a little bit away from the outside. Let's get that shape nice and perfect. All right, but if I tap here, you can hear it like a drum. There's not a lot of space right here. All right, and that's how I know it's pretty thin. So we're just going to go ahead and, but we still know it's a little thick out here. All right, so we're just going to work that down. All right. All right, so now that I've got this, what I like to do is get a little bit of water. All right, and then I'm simply going to slip and score this area where I'm going to put the foot ring. And if I want to really know where to put the foot ring, I could just take my needle tool and really kind of line it up perfectly to where I want to put this. All right, so I'm just going to give it a good slipping and scoring. All right, fork works way better. I should have probably grabbed that, but let's see here. And a sumi brush works really well here too, instead of a sponge, but it's okay. Whatever you got will work. All right, that's getting pretty good. I feel like I've got a nice little. Okay, so once we've done that, that's nice and slipped and scored. I've already made a coil that I'm just going to simply attach to this. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to line it up. Now I'm not going to stretch it. If I stretch it, I may get that foot to crack, but I'm just going to place this down, okay? I kind of really lock this guy into place. Okay, and now I'm just going to go ahead and push with my fingers and really kind of push this down. Okay, really locking this into place. All right, that's probably going to be pretty good. All right, at this point I'll add a little bit of water to each side. You guys seeing this? Okay, and now I'm just going to simply squeeze it. But at the same time, my first movement is going to be down. That's going to lock that coil down into place. I'm going to kind of use my sponge for it. So pinch and push this down. All right. And I just push it up now. I've started to bring that up. So as long as the clay is leather hard, you're pretty good to go. If you get a little bit of stuff on the inside where the clay doesn't seem right, you could just take the back of your wooden rib, fix that. You can sort of do that to the outside as well. All right. If you need a needle tool on that, but that's nice and even. And that's how you put a coil on a foot. Okay?